Hi kids, how are you today? Today, we learn about alphabet letters together. Follow me step by step to say that all letters A, B, and C. Now, we coloring the ant picture first. The ant is for letter A. We coloring that ant with red color. Wow, this is the red ant, and that's so amazing! Now, we start to coloring the letter A together. We draw all the letters. After this, we will coloring that all together. For the first color is purple. To write the letter A, we pull from top to bottom twice and left to right. Say with me that letter A. This is letter A.
A. This is letter A.
Black color, this letter A is black. Follow me, kids. This letter is orange color. Green color. This is red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Blue color. Purple color. Black color again. Orange. Purple. And for the last is red color. Now we start to coloring the school bus, and bus is for letter B. The bus color is yellow. Wow, this so cool school bus color. Now we draw all letters. color. B is 3 colors. Pink color, yellow color, and purple color. First letter, B, is blue color. Purple color. Black. Red. For this is green. Yellow. Orange. Brown. Black. Orange. Red color. And the last one is purple color. Now time to draw a letter, C, and C is for a cat. Let's go, kids. We coloring the cat together. Wow, this cat's so beautiful. This letter C is purple color. First letter is blue color. Red color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow. Pink color. Orange. Black. Green. Yellow. Pink.